Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can add the 200 moving average in MetaTrader 5. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5. And as you can see here, we have the 20 moving average, this one, and we have the 50 moving average, okay? So to add the 200, all you have to do is go to Insert, Indicators, Trend, and click on Moving Average. Okay, now we have here period. I have 20, type 200. We have here method, keep it on simple. You can change the color if you want. So let's choose, for example, this color, white. You can change the type of the line and you can change the width of the line. So I will make this one a little bit bigger. So I will choose this one and click on OK. And as you can see here, this is our 200 moving average. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.